Ooh-wee, good grief, Charlie Brown. Hey, I called Mommy and she ran over here and brought my camera case, and I've got some other SIM cards in there. I always have extra SIM cards, and I always want to make sure my batteries to the camera is ready and rocking, but I thought I had more room. I got like 10 hours on this new one, and I must have gone through 10 hours already or more of different videos that I've already done inside this condo. Can you believe that? So here I am pulling this carpet up, and see, I got all the pieces cut in this one particular room. I've got them all rolled up strategically in sizes that I can handle, and I started pulling up the carpet pad, and because this is a wood subfloor, what they did is they took a hammer tacker and they stapled it all around the edges. Boom, 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 boom. And so I had to get down there and loosen some of that stuff up. And then the question became, see, this pad is the same width as carpet. No, I'm sorry, it's not. Carpet is way wider, but anyways, the pad is this wide. And so could I take out each piece and roll it up? Yeah, I probably could, but what I decided is I don't have that much carpet in this condo, and so I'm cutting this in the middle as best I can, and then I'm going to actually cut it across this way too, and that way I've got smaller pieces. I'll have small pieces, kind of like little rolls like this, because you remember I'm throwing this all in a dumpster, and I got to fit it around other trash, and of course I'll put all of the pad down first, get in there and jump on it and stuff, and then I'll put the heavy carpet on top, and then I'll kind of smash everything down. And because I've got it in small rolls, it's going to fit nice and easy into the dumpster. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so I'm going to cut this carpet in half, this carpet pad. I'm just going to eyeball it, you know, right in here somewhere. And see the staples along the edge, I'm going to have to just pull up like that. But sometimes around door openings and stuff, if you try to pull it up like that, it may start ripping. And so I don't like doing it that way. I like to try to take these out in as big of pieces as I can without it ripping all up, because I want to, you know, once I pull it up, I want to roll it up. You know what I mean? I don't want to have all these rips in there, so it's stapled. I've got it loose right there, and I'm hoping it's going to pull up easily enough without ripping. Okay. And yeah, it'll take me a little bit longer by having to cut this pad in half, but hey, it's for a good cause, and I'm going to fit it into the dumpster that way. And so I got myself a little putty knife. See, this piece is starting to rip here, and I'm just going to take the rips and put them kind of in the middle, so when I roll it up, that'll be inside, so I don't have to pick up all those little pieces. And let's just see. Just gonna roll it up kind of as tight as I can. That's a big enough piece. If I had a big, huge dumpster or something, I wouldn't cut it in small pieces like this. I would actually take it up in wider pieces so that they're like 8 foot long, however long those pieces are. I think that's what it is. Six feet, I guess. This carpet pad is 6 foot wide, and carpet's like 12 feet. And you know, I think the dumpster might be big enough to hold that. That's if nothing else was in the dumpster. But I'll be able to maneuver these nice and easy through the condo down to the dumpster and kind of fit all the pieces in there, okay? And this was one of the biggest rooms, except the one downstairs is about the same size. So yeah, I've got to cut pieces, big wow. And when I come through here, these are small enough pieces, you know, through here. This room isn't that big. See? It's not rocket science. You know, you can do it. And save that money. I might even title the whole series "Remodeling a Condo," how to remodel a condo, or whatever. So I don't know what it's going to be called yet. Just look on whatever one this is, look at it and find out what the episode is. And if you want to see some previous ones or some later ones, have at it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.